Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.